Welcome to workshop number 1. Today we're going to work on the concepts that Aubrey so beautifully explained, neuroplasticity. Isn't it great to know? We used to think it's all downhill from here with your brains, but now we know our brains can change. That's neuroplasticity, no matter how old we are. So we're going to play around with a lot of neuroplasticity games. Some of these games, to be honest, are just for fun and novelty, but anytime you move and think at the same time, really good things happen with your brain. So we should probably get moving with that in mind, right? Look at her beautiful posture. Let's all be looking just like Aubrey with your shoulders down and back. Nice, deep, even breaths. But we're just not going to march for half an hour. No, sirree, Bob. Aubrey, I'm going to get you thinking at the same time.
Okay.
What color shirt are you wearing?
Black.
Okay, and for you at home, what color shirt are you wearing? Now, Aubrey, spell the color of the shirt that you're wearing.
Okay. B-L-A-C-K.
I'm being pretty nice to her. That's over. Aubrey, can you spell the name of the shirt you're wearing backwards?
Oh man, Sue. Okay. K-C-A-L-B.
Whew. Now, at home, I really hope you're not wearing a turquoise shirt. If you are, just cheat and pretending you're wearing a red shirt. All right, let's continue. Aubrey, what color of wall are you facing?
White.
So at home, what color of wall are you facing? Can you spell it? Of course you can.
W-H-I-T-E.
And guess what's coming? You figured it out by now because you're that smart. Can you spell it backwards?
All right. E-T-I-H-W.
Wow.
Yeah?
You notice I'm not doing the spelling, I'm just making her do it. But again, remember, if you make a mistake, automatically just look at that as a chance to laugh and not go, oh, my memory is terrible. But the whole point is just to move and think at the same time. All right, one more spelling challenge.
Okay.
Can you tell me the name of your best friend?
Amy.
Oh, she chose a short name. This gal is no dummy, let me tell you. Okay, we're not even going to spell it forwards. Spell it backwards for me, please.
All right. Y-M-A.
Okay, good. Take a break.